Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of Vivo phone that is called Z3. So this phone have two different processor, you can say, with a different RAM. If you buy the 4GB RAM storage variant, you will get Snapdragon 670. If you go for the 6GB variant, you will get Snapdragon 710. So I go for Snapdragon 710. This one is 6GB variant with 64GB storage. They have 6GB plus 128GB storage also, but I got for 6GB 64. This cost me about $230, but the real price is $270. I got a discount of near about $40, 200 yuan on the 11th November sale in China. So the phone is really good. The different processor 670 and 710 both are really good, I think. But as Nokia X7 is 710, so I can make a comparison. So I bought the 710 variant and it's not so expensive, only $40 different. And this one have a, you can say, a water droplet notch. Some people don't like it, but I really like the notch of this phone. I'm using Vivo phone first time. The camera is really fabulous, and the battery backup, it provides 22.5 volt charger, but this phone doesn't have type C charging port, so I didn't like that one. If they provide us type C also, I think it will be more good. So let's unbox this, and later I will review the camera and gaming and some comparison. So let's begin our video. If you like, please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want to participate in Nokia X7 giveaway, please watch the Nokia giveaway video. I provide the link in the description and on the upper right side. So here we go.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is our box of Vivo Z3. Let's show you the bill. So this is 6GB 64GB variant and cost is 1898 yuan, but I got it for 1678. I got 220 yuan Chinese currency discount. So Vivo camera and music, nothing written so much. Here you can also see nothing special. So let's open the box. So first we have a small box which include a silicone cover and some manuals. So silicone cover is really good, a little hard, and there is SIM ejector tool. So this manuals is in Chinese, so we will not waste time. So here is our phone. So we will look at later. First let's see the charger. So we have Vivo charger, and the best thing is that this charger is 22.5 ampere, so it's really good. You can say 10 volt by 2.25 ampere. So I really like this charger. So I will do a charging test as soon as possible, but the cable is micro USB, which is really bad. They should give at least type C. I don't know why, if they are charging me about $270, so they should give type C. So here is our beautiful phone. You can see the double color, black and blue, and on the camera there is a golden line. It looks really beautiful. The curved glass back, and here is a volume key and power on button. Speaker, micro USB charging port, 3.5 audio jack and a mic. Here we have a SIM tray, and let's see the SIM tray. So in this phone we can use 2 nano SIM and 1 memory card. This is really good. And on the top, noise cancellation. So let's begin the phone. So this phone is 6.3 inch, 19.3 screen ratio, and have a water droplet notch, full HD LCD screen. So we have many options for languages, you can see. So I'm using first time the Vivo phone. So the UI is Fun Touch OS. So the notch is little good, the water droplet notch. I really like it, the small notch. So first let's try the Antutu benchmark. So Snapdragon 710, so the score is really good, 169,515. Let's see the features. So Snapdragon 710, Android 8.1, Adreno 616, 1080 by 2280, 16 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel depth camera, 6 GB RAM. The size is wrong in Antutu. Density 480 dpi, pixel density 320, front camera 12 megapixel, and the battery is 3315 mAh. NFC doesn't support. So now let's try Geekbench. So I already tested. So the score is single core 1818 and multi-core is 5841. So the not bad score, a really good score. And the computer score is 6789, so it's really impressive, you can say. So now let's try the TikTok app. So the notch really look, you can say it's bezel-less, but a little notch, so it's really look beautiful. Watching videos, it really look good, like the small droplet water droplet notch, really like a bezel-less phone. So now let's talk about the camera. So the rear camera is 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. We have, this is portrait mode, and this one is live photo. I click many pictures, I will show you. So the setting is really good. So I clicked many pictures. I will upload a camera review soon. I really like this camera, and the front camera is 12 megapixel. Oops. Yeah, if we record the video, we can record in 4K, and the best part is that from the front camera also we can record in 4K. So this is really good. This is my first phone which I have seen the front camera have 4K features. So they have a flash, but the flash is inbuilt in the screen, in display flash, you can say it. So now let's try the speaker. So the speaker quality is really loud and clear, and I really like this phone, like water droplet notch, 6 GB RAM, and Snapdragon 710. Camera is really good, and the price is also very reasonable. 270 is not much high for Snapdragon 710. Looks are beautiful, and let's try the face unlock. Wow, it's so quick. Wow, really quick. So if you want to ask me something, you can Ask me in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe me and press the bell icon for new unboxing and reviews. So hope you like this video.